Understanding your blood group is crucial for medical treatment. Let's explore how blood group testing is conducted.
Before starting, ensure all equipment is sterile and ready.
The blood sample is mixed with specific antibodies to identify antigens on the surface of red blood cells. Observing agglutination patterns helps determine the blood group. Based on the reactions observed, the blood type is identified as A, B, AB, or O, and the Rh factor is determined. Understanding your blood group ensures safe blood transfusions and medical treatments. Knowing your blood type saves lives. Stay informed and stay healthy.